The secret behind porn addiction. Have you ever found yourself scrolling mindlessly on your phone, falling deeper into an online world that you didn't expect to be in? For many, it starts innocently, just a click, just one video. But for some, it quickly spirals into something far more consuming, something far more secretive. Porn addiction isn't just about sex. It's not simply the allure of the body or the fantasy, it's the brain. Behind every addiction, there's a complex psychological dance happening within us. And in the case of porn, it's no different. Our brains are wired for pleasure. Every time we see something stimulating, something that feels good, our brain releases dopamine, a chemical messenger that tells us, this is worth doing again. This is how we learn, how we survive, and how we enjoy life. But what happens when that dopamine rush becomes something you crave more than anything else? Pornography hijacks this system. It delivers a flood of dopamine, far beyond what is natural in any other experience. And just like any drug, the more you use it, the more your brain adapts, the more it craves. What was once a small indulgence becomes a compulsion, a cycle that's hard to break. But there's more. It's not just the brain's chemistry at play, it's the escape. Porn addiction often starts as a form of coping. Stress, loneliness, anxiety. These emotions are hard to deal with, and the quick fix of porn offers a momentary distraction. But that distraction doesn't heal the problem. It deepens the wound. The person becomes more isolated, more detached from real connections, as the addiction consumes their energy, their focus, their life. It's easy to feel shame, guilt, and helplessness in this struggle. It can feel like no one understands, but you're not alone. And the good news is that recovery is possible. The path to healing isn't about beating yourself up for the mistakes you've made. It's about understanding why you fell into the trap in the first place. It's about recognizing the underlying pain and building healthier habits that don't depend on temporary fixes. Recovery is not just about quitting porn. It's about rebuilding your life, reconnecting with your values, and learning how to find real joy and fulfillment in the world around you. It takes time. It takes patience. But most importantly, it takes you believing in yourself and knowing that this struggle doesn't define who you are. You have the power to break free from the cycle. It's not easy, but it is worth it. Take the first step toward freedom today. Reach out, talk to someone, and know that this chapter of your life can end with a new beginning. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, help is available.